Aloha and welcome back to another episode of Little C's Creations, Creating with Jen. Today I'm sharing with you just a really quick devotional page decoration. Sometimes when I'm doing my devotions, the Lord speaks to me and I feel like I need to point things out and just make a memory of the page of the day that I received this devotional. So for me to remember this day, I decorate the page and worship the Lord while I'm decorating. So I'm using this Distressed Oxide Inks. I just put a copy paper in between the pages, so if in case it goes through, but it's not, but it's also holding the ink as it goes off of the pages. And you can see there's kind of blotches at the beginning of each side of the page. I need to work on my blending skills. This was just some water from a spray bottle, and then I splattered it on. The Distressed Oxide Inks counteracts with water, so it makes that little cool splashing effect. And now I'm cutting out this feather stamp, which is from Unity Stamp Company, and I'm going to color it in with my Tombow pens, just using the same colors that I have on my page. This devotional is from Jesus Calling, and I'm just going to read really quick what the page says. It says, "Seek my face, and you will find fulfillment of your deepest longings. My world is filled with beautiful things. They are meant to be pointers to me. These beautiful things are meant to be pointers to God, reminders of my abiding presence. The earth still declares my glory to those who have eyes that see and ears that hear. You had a darkened mind before you sought me wholeheartedly. I chose to pour my light into you so that you can be a beacon to others. There is no room for pride in this position. Your part is to reflect my glory. I am Lord." And God just reminds me that when I don't want to listen to Him, that's being prideful, and that is a total sin. So it was a good reminder of who the Lord is, reminding me to put my pride on the side. Have a blessed day in Jesus. Bye now.